Hello guys, so today we are going to talk about a new LeetCode problem. The LeetCode problem number is 2710, remove trailing zeros from a string. So the statement is, given a positive integer num represented as a string, we are going to return the integer num without trailing zeros as a string. So first of all, I am going to read the constraints. So the num.length is between 1 and 1000. Num consists of only digits. We don't have any character. Num doesn't have any leading zero. So first of all, what is leading zero? Leading zero is any zero that is located at the most left of my integer, or in this case is num. Okay, so here, like, if I have 0 before the 5, so 0, 5, 1, 2, 3, and so on, so the 0 here will be what? The leading 0. Otherwise, if I have zeros on the most right position, like this, these two zeros will be called a trailing zeros. So what I care about is I want to remove these two zeros in order to return my string will be this one. So this is the idea. We need to eliminate any trailing zeros in my string and return my string without these trailing zeros. Okay, so this means that we only care about starting from the right of this string. So how I'm going to solve this one? I'm going to solve it by declaring first of all an integer which is equal to the length of my string. Now I'm going to declare another integer and initialize it by 0. Why? Why this integer is here? This integer is for counting how many trailing zero I have. Here I have 2, so I'm going to count. Now I'm going to loop, as I said before, n minus minus greater than 0, because I'm starting n is equal num.length. So I need to start from n minus minus, which is this at this position. Now I'm going to check if s.car, or sorry, I don't have s, I have num.car at n equal the car 0. If this is true, I'm going to increment my I. Why? I'm counting how many leading zero I have, because I'm starting from the rightmost of my string. Okay. Otherwise, if I don't have any zero at the rightmost at this position here, okay, I'm going to break the loop, because the leading zeros only start at the rightmost. Okay. Now I'm going to simply return num dot substring from 0 to n minus I. Why? Because I care only about returning this part, and this part actually is the whole length. It's starting first of all from 0 index, from num, okay, until this part. This part here, this position here, is the number I. So I'm just doing the whole number, the whole length, which is n, minus this part, which is I. So n minus I. So I'm going to return from 0 to n minus I, which is this position. So let me check using these two test cases given. Okay, so I have a wrong answer. Okay, what is my wrong? Why I have my wrong answer here? Okay, here why? Because I returned what? N. And n, what I am doing by n? I decrement n each time. So this is wrong. N will be 1 at least at the end. Okay, so I'm just want to not return n, because n is not a fixed integer. N is decremented always. So I'm just want to return the num.length, which is I have said before. So num.length minus this I, so it will be this part from zero index till this part. Okay, so the whole part, this one. So let me check now. And now this is correct. Let me submit and check if we have the best time complexity when we are using Java. So we beat 100% of users with Java. Thank you guys. If you have any feedback, please don't hesitate to leave any comment. Bye.